Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Nicole with NK Creations. We're doing, I just totally went blank. We're doing something really fun that I thought of a few months ago. There's this random wheel picker thing, and so you can just put in different things. They have different colors. They have some that are already pre entered, and then some you can just add different stuff to. So we went with one of the colored ones that they had. So it has a lot of different colors, some really weird names, but we just kind of matched up as close to what the color it was. And then we submitted one in for procedures. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I said that. For techniques, and we just entered in a bunch of different fluid art techniques, and it was spun the wheel for each other. We're doing 6 colors and one technique. So without further ado, let's get to painting.
Okay, here is your technique. Ooh, what is it gonna be? A traveling ring pour. Very interesting. All right, girl, I'm so excited. Woohoo! Your 6 colors, here we go. Woohoo! Of course, the first one that shows up for you is gold. Are you kidding me? Hold on, let's turn this volume up. I am laughing. This is hilarious. Gold is your first one. All right, here's your second. Amazon. Okay. Ooh. So let's see. All right, and your last. Okay, I'm going to do the next video and send you your technique.
Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. I did a little intro today, so you obviously know what's going on. I have to do a traveling ring pour, which has some really fun colors that came up on the little wheel. So I need technically 8 ounces of paint will cover this. I'm not feeling like I want to do the whole. I kind of want to have some negative space, so I'm going to layer my cup. I just keep going blank. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a little bit of gold. now for a close-up. The gold has saved the day. Look at those beautiful sails. Sorry about the light from above, y'all. Pretty colors. Don't see much of the gray as much. I see definitely some of that whitish gray. There's some funky sails over there. But the colors are pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think this is going to be really pretty once it's resined. Just make that gold pop even more. I think I might, I think I just leaned into this, so I'm going to definitely fix that there. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You would like and subscribe and share if you're new. Thanks for watching. I hope you will come back and watch my videos again and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I do my next videos. I usually do them on Sundays and Wednesdays, and sometimes an extra one here and there throughout the week if I do a collab or something, or some shorts. I will put Nicole's link in the description. Please go check hers out if you have not done that yet. What did she get? I can't remember now. I totally forgot. Anyway, I'm sure she got better than a traveling ring pour, but anyway, so I do thank you guys for watching. If you're returning subscribers, thank you, thank you. I love you guys so much. Hopefully you watch the videos a little longer this time, please. I'm trying to get my hours up as I'm moving my way up past 700. Slowly but surely I'm going that way. And yeah, thanks again, Nicole, that we finally got our collaboration together. I appreciate it. It was fun. Yeah, it was a really fun idea. I've been kind of going back and forth with this. I can't remember who showed it to me some time ago, but or where I seen it before. Anyway, but so I just thought it would be kind of fun to do with all the colors, different colors, and then a technique as well. That way you can't, you know, just choose something. You have to, you know, get whatever lands on. So yeah, but I do thank you guys for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And if you're in need of any supplies, I am now affiliated with Arteza as well as Blick. I have links in the description. If you use my link, it's no cost to you, but it does help my channel, so I would appreciate it if you would do that. I also have a link to BB Crafts. They got some pretty cool crafts in a reasonable price. I did a review on some palette knives that they sent me, and they're fabulous palette knives, let me tell you. You get like 14 of them for under 20 bucks, so good deal. And they're good, like they're not cheap, flimsy, ready to fall apart type of palette knives. So, and I have a couple other crafts, L beads and joggle. Just some couple craft stores, online craft stores. So, but yep, thanks everybody. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.